Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel Always NTV. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. In this channel I share legit way to make money from the online space, both from different sites and apps. And if that is the kind of content you're interested in, please do well to subscribe to my channel and on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. And to my return subscribers, thank you guys for always tuning off to watch my video. You guys know I love and appreciate your support. Thank you so very much. So in today's video, I want to introduce this app to you. This app pays you just to engage on people's posts. This video is not going to be long though, so make sure you don't skip any parts. But then before we start, please let me lay a disclaimer. Please, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor and I do not guarantee that you will make a specific amount of money. Your result depends on your efforts. Always make your own research. This app is not a boozer app. You guys already know boozer, but this one is not boozer app. This one is quite different from it, and this particular one you will be needing VPN to be able to access it. Either you download Thunder VPN or Windsky VPN, but if you have a proxy, that will be perfect. I always tell you guys to get a proxy. Someone working online need a proxy. Like, how do you intend to earn when you don't have a proxy, when most of the app doesn't work with VPN? But then again, if you don't have money for the proxy, then you can still use VPN. Okay, now this particular app you're seeing right here pays you just to engage on people's posts. Just like you're seeing this post right here, they said, which offline moments bring you to the purest happiness in a world full of internet? Then read everything that is written here and pick the one that give you that peaceful moments. Okay, now this one says, play with children since my. The other one says, sleep peacefully without internet. This one says, spending real time with family. And the last one said, laughing not through messages. Okay, now just pick any one that give you the purest happiness in the world full of internet. Okay, that means when you are not online, what gives you happiness? Now to me, I will just say sleep peaceful without internet. Now what you're going to do is to tap on that one, tap it 2 times. Okay, then your coins will increase. You scroll up again, see another post, read everything that is being written there, pick the one that you know that is the best answer for it, then tap it 2 times and you get your coins. You guys are seeing how the coins was going up, right? Then this particular one is just for you to react on this picture you're seeing here. You see this love emoji, drag it to the end, to this, and you get your coins. This is how you keep doing it. Keep doing it this way. All right, then when you come to this place, you want to see your balance. You come to this place, open it. Are you seeing it? Let me click on cash out. So I just started using this app now. Okay, and I have 1,922 coins. Okay, so this is how it keeps going. I don't know how many coins that makes £1 because I'm using UK proxy. I don't know how many coins that will make £1, but I will just keep doing it and I will keep checking. Once I get to minimum withdrawal, I will go ahead and withdraw with my paper. Once you get to minimum withdrawal, this withdraw button will pop up for you to withdraw. Just click on it, put your paper, email, then make your withdrawal. So you can as well refer people. Just click on these 3 dots by the left hand side, then come down to this refer and share and refer. Okay, now copy your referral link, send to whoever that you want to refer. You're not doing anything hard to earn. Just keep scrolling. As you're scrolling, you are liking the posts. As you're scrolling, then when you get to a single post like this, just drag this thing to the end and you get your coins. Just give yourself 2 hours to 3 hours in this app and see how you'll be earning. I will not advise you to start a quiz here because I realized that when I wanted to do quiz, I click on start quiz. I was having 1,000 coins. Then after taking the quiz, I realized that 1,000 coins went from 1,000 to 800 coins. That means they deducted some coins from me just to participate in that quiz. So because of that, if you wouldn't want to explain such, do not take quiz. Okay, just keep liking and react. Just like I promised you guys, this video is not going to be long, and this is where I'll be stopping for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, drop your comments, like and share so that others can watch too. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.